Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Floki video update, and we're going to continue from where we left off yesterday. And as I told you, Floki was meant to actually come in on Binance listing, and I think it's actually already done, and they kind of delayed the listing, and then finally, I don't know if they actually decided to push it on Binance Global, which is a big deal when coins make it to Binance. It's just like saying, oh my goodness, I've been working very, very hard and now I'm into the Hall of Fame, and the Hall of Fame is, of course, the Binance exchange. So right now, people are quite excited about Floki and Pepe as well, the new meme coin, which is actually surging up. And now, as far as Pepe goes, people are saying that it doesn't have any utility or real-world project or use. So it's just a meme coin for, I don't know, a TV show or a frog meme coin, whatever that is. But this is a Floki video update, a shit coin update or meme coin, whatever this is. And as I told you, and I'm going to continue from where I left off, and I'm just going to dive into the daily time frame. I told you yesterday that when you go into the Gate.io, now this is on Gate.io exchange. You can look up somewhere here, okay? This is on a Gate.io exchange. If you go to the Binance exchange, it's just a new data, and it probably was green for a little bit, and that's all. And in yesterday's video, what I said is the following, okay? You have an opportunity for Floki to make even 700% move to the upside, but only under one condition. Now, what is that condition? You got to listen very carefully. You got this resistance up here, resistance up there, and then you finally pump, but you pumped all the way to resistance. Now, you see, when you're a beginner, you like the pumps on the 1 hour time frame. If you go into the daily and zoom out, you get a clear picture, because this information that I'm giving you right now on the channel is really important. That's why you have to follow this channel if you want to get good information out there that makes sense. So it started all the way back in 19 January 2022, all the way back to that time. Now, this is a pattern that is almost 1.5 years in the making, okay? This pattern is 1.5 years in the making. And if this pattern actually breaks up like this, boom, you shoot all the way to the upside. Amazing. You got yourself an opportunity to make one hell of a money and a profit. Right now, I'm going to leave you with this warning. Never get bullish on the resistance level. Never touch any coin which is on resistance. Touch coin when they break resistance and they hold support. Then you have a good chances that you're going to likely have your trade playing out. If you're a trader, if you're a long-term holder, maybe this coin is okay for long-term holding. I think it's okay. Yeah, if we go for maybe 1-2 years, speaking of 1-2 years, I don't think this matters at all. I think we're in a good position in the long term. But in the short term, in the daily, if you're a trader, it makes sense, totally makes sense, because right now it's probably like you're making the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and that's bullish pattern to actually go to the upside. If and only if the break happens and the retest holds. Simple. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.